What is going on, Airsofters? Spinx here. What I'm bringing for you today is the footage from June 30th. On my fire team for today is Agent Clovis and Agent Anubis. I will be using my custom Tokimuri High Cycle AUG, and Agent Clovis will be using his brand new ASG Scorpion Evo. Sit back and enjoy this split gameplay between the both of us. Hope you enjoy and stay tuned.
I got you covered. There is a guy over here somewhere.
Peek out and watch. I'm moving. Oh shit, he's in the back. Yeah, he's all the way back there. He doesn't have the range to get up to us.
Behind the house right here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, straight ahead behind the box for nice.
Alright, give me a second. We'll take care of it.
Well, you better hurry up.
Inside this van. I think I got him. Dude.
Okay.
I'm not sure. One of his teammates just called me.
I don't think you got him. Okay, may have gotten the guy from over there.
Right side! Right side by the helicopter, over there.
Yeah, guys, on the right. Watch it.
I think he's still on that bus.
Shh.
The car! He's at the car!
Guy moving right. Watch it.
He's in front of the car! You guys, the car behind the helicopter?
You there?
Someone push up on him.
Hit. I need to go grab my gun. I got it.
Hit!
Unfortunately for the second half of this game, I turned on my GoPro and accidentally shut it back off, so for the rest of this match is going to be from Dalen's perspective.
Got him in the foot. Connor, move up. Alright, I'm gonna move up real quick.
Alright, go.
Connor, backside! Oh my god, alright, fair enough. Thanks for not shooting me in the back. Hit!
The guy in that building.
Backside! Backside! Move up!
They're coming behind us too.
What?
Behind us.
Oh shit, yeah, you're not kidding. Ah, hit! Hit! Ow, another one in the neck, really? I just need to start wearing neck protection now, because that's bullshit.
I'm about to blow my load all over your chest.
Are we ready?
Okay.
Hey, are
I
we
got
ready?
shot. Let's go, reach! Let's do this! Let's do this, boys! Come on, Sam.
One behind the helicopter.
You got it.
Or is that a friendly? Oh, he's dead.
Right.
I got you covered. Do we have one respawn?
I think. Yeah.
Gotta be careful with this one. He's in that window. He's in the window behind the chopper.
Which chopper?
Going right in front of us. The building behind the tail of the chopper.
Alright, the one back right there?
Yeah.
So there's a guy in the window over here. Over here, there's a guy in the far building.
Yeah.
I know where he is. Right there.
He's still there. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That was a ricochet.
I don't know!
The window behind the chopper!
I'm a scared little boy. I don't want to die a virgin.
What'd you just say?
I don't want to die a virgin.
You might get fucked by a BB. He's in the window. He's still there. Dalen, he's right in front of you. He's right in front of you. He's right in that window. He's in that window.
Move into the chopper, move into the chopper.
Hit, hit.
If you call yourself out, I won't shoot you.
All right, let's take him.
Okay, so there's a guy like, oh.
Oh, I'm getting shot at. Look out, Whitty! Bullets are incoming! No visual?
I don't see anybody. Oh, in that building right through by the chopper. So you can probably move up to a chopper.
Watch this way. Oh, is he in that building?
Yep, he's right there.
I got the window covered.
You got the exit covered.
Go this way. Try to get him through the doorway.
Which way?
Right here. Oh, grenade.
Oh, fuck, I think I hit you! That hit you, come on!
You keep shooting until they hit. They all hit.
He's out. I think he's out, dude.
Whitty!
Yeah.
Push right! Never mind, don't do it! Unless you want to do it now, I can keep you covered.
He's in spawn by the light. He's by the light tower.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got range. He's got lots of range. Look.
Cover me? Or not?
Over by the light.
Tango down!
How did I not kill that kid?
Sorry, I got a little angry.
Where is he? You guys, where is he?
So that concludes the gameplay from June. I hope you enjoyed this video. On the way out here, I'd like to talk to some of my most loyal fans who stick to the end of the video. Agent Forest Thunder has moved away, so we have lost another member of 6 Echelon. I definitely love the time that I spent here in Arizona with my Airsoft friends, but if you noticed, it's really hard to get together and play with them again, and it is also especially too hot here, and we've kind of overdone FighterTown quite a lot, so I want to get out there and play at more fields, which is kind of what Forest Thunder is doing. So go over and subscribe to Forest Thunder. He's gonna have some gameplay from out of state, so it'll definitely be interesting to see what that's like. Go and subscribe to him, you'll like it. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video, and if you're a long-time 6 Echelon fan, I'd love to see some support down there in the comments. At least let me know that you're still there and that you're liking anything new that's coming to my channel. So definitely leave some support and some suggestions. Any questions you have in the comments, I'd like to see them and get a lot more fan feedback than I did in the past. I really want to become closer with my fans. Something I've seen from Ethan Van Sciver, if you know about him. But definitely stay tuned. I have a lot more content on the way, and I hope you enjoyed.